spreadsheet, and I'm just going to show you how you can separate the first name in one column and the last name in the next column with a simple trick. So if your boss is asking you, they want it by first name and last name, you can, there's a feature in Excel there. So let's start get going. What we can do is that we have the list of name here. What we can do, we can highlight it. Okay, I like those names. I'm gonna hide all the names like this, and then we're gonna use the text to column. So in your menu here, under data right here, you're gonna see data here. So under that menu, you're gonna go to text to columns. Okay, so you're gonna click on text to columns, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna use the delimited option right here. This will separate the first name and last name. So we're gonna separate those two fields. So here we're gonna do next, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna choose, instead of tab, we're gonna choose space, because there's a space between the first name and the last name. So this is why we're choosing space here. Okay, so once we click space, you notice that the first name is in one column and the last name here is in the next column. So this is the view here. Then we're gonna do next. Okay, we're gonna do next here, and then so see, it's already finished. So we're gonna tell it where you want each of those columns to appear on your spreadsheet here. So the destination, we're gonna do this. We're gonna click this right here. See, it says A2. We don't want it A2. We want it, let's put it here, C2. Okay, once we put it here, C2, it's gonna put the first name on the C column, and then it's gonna put the last name in the D column here. Okay, and then we do finish. And as you can see, they are separated. Now you have a first name column, and now you have a last name column here. Okay, so, and this is how you can do it. Now, what if you want, let's say you want to do last name. Let's say you want to combine the two names first, but you want to put the last name first, comma, and then the first name. Okay, so a trick to do that, click on another cell here, and then you want to do equal. Then you want to click the last name field right here, which is, let's start with this. And then what you're going to use is going to use the ampersand here, this and symbol here. Okay, and then what you can do, you're going to do open quotation, then you can put the comma, put a little space again, close the quotation. Okay, and then you put another ampersand here, and sign. Then you can click on the first name here. Okay, once you do that, you can just press enter, and there you have it. So you're going to have now your last name, first name. Okay, so now we put the last name first, comma, first name, and then you can just highlight the first box, scroll down, then you're going to press the Control button and the letter D on the keyboard, and there you go, it fills down the rest here. So I hope you guys learned from that. Okay, and you can do any combination with these things once you know how to concat. So the trick here is knowing the concat. The concat is using the and symbol. Okay, so, and now that we have this here, see, we have this, I can go ahead and still separate this. I can highlight all of these names, and I can separate last name, first name based on commas, the commas. Okay, the comma is the delimiter here. So I can do it again. So I highlight the names, I go to data, then I go to text to column. Okay, I'm going to use delimiter. Let me cancel this first. Okay, so I'm going to highlight these names. What I like to do is highlight the names, and then click on the first name, right click on the first name, and then I'll do paste special. Okay, I'm going to do the paste special here. Click on the F here, right? right click, copy, then right click again to paste special using values. Okay. All right, so now it's just names, just text instead of the formulas, because there was formulas here. All right, now I can go highlight, go to data, text to column, delimiter, use a delimiter, do next. This time we're going to use, instead of space, we're going to separate it by commas, where the commas are. So we're going to separate last name, first name based by the comma. Then we do next. Of course, we're going to select our destiny, where we're going to place those separation. We can just do here H. Click on H, and then we close it here. Okay, and then we just finish. And there you have it again here. Last name, first name. All right, so I hope you guys enjoy it. So these are good techniques, you know. If you use Excel at work, you know, I would, you know, these are tips that you can speed up the process in your work. Thank you so much, guys, for visiting my live.